Alright, so you guys got this like janky carbon fiber lip. I sort of wrapped real carbon fiber around a lip. I'm gonna have to take that off. There's also a crack here if you see in the bumper. Gonna need fixed. Taking off the splitter. And then that side shouldn't need a lot of work. And then this side's gonna take some repair, and I'll probably finish this video up trying to repair this in a cheap way. I don't quite know how yet.
Let's take a quick moment to notice Forrest first messed up on this drift, then came back and did the same exact drift perfectly.
Build another part.
Alright guys, so now you can see I'm gonna do the progression of just sanding it off because I don't know how to do body work, but I guess the first thing we do, we sand off with the old paint. We fix the parts that are broken with Harbor Freight stuff. I guess we could go to Harbor Freight and they have this little kit we could use. And we're gonna try to fix this bumper for under 50 bucks. That's including the paint and everything, and we'll see what happens. My hands get numb real quick. I can't feel my hands after a while. So what we're gonna do is right now I'm just sanding this down. You gotta get all this glossy stuff off. So you can't have any of this glossiness. You gotta come down to here, and then you see there's some like scratches. I gotta get all that out. Figure out how to fix that. Yeah.
And as all these car projects go, they always take longer than you think, so next time in the next video, I'll take care of trying to fix this bumper with some Harbor Freight parts for hopefully 20 to 50 bucks, and then check it out. Here's the paint color we're thinking about going, and here's a picture of what it should look like. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, so you guys could keep in on this series. Alright, bye.